Welcome to our DIY special. Today, we're diving into the top trending DIY video, high-end DollarTree DIYs for 2024. Get ready to transform everyday items into stunning home decor. First up, we're transforming simple vases into elegant, high-end decor pieces. All you need is some spray paint and a little creativity. Next, let's make chic candle holders. Grab some glass candle holders, paint, and embellishments from DollarTree. Combine them to create a beautiful centerpiece. Did you know? You can create stylish wall art with just a few frames and some wrapping paper. Cut the paper to fit the frames and arrange them in a pattern. For a modern touch, try making a faux marble tray. Use contact paper with a marble pattern and a simple tray from DollarTree. It's easy and looks amazing. Please like and subscribe. Don't throw away those old picture frames. Turn them into a beautiful jewelry organizer. Just add some hooks and paint, and you've got a stylish storage solution. Need some extra storage? Create a chic basket using DollarTree rope and hot glue. Wrap the rope around a basic basket and you've got a designer look. Transform ordinary planters into high-end decor with some paint and stencils. Customize the design to fit your style and elevate your indoor garden. Please like and subscribe. Did you know? You can make a stylish mirror display with just a few compact mirrors and some adhesive. Arrange them in a pattern for a unique wall piece. Finally, let's create a decorative lantern. Using some glass frames and battery-operated lights, you can craft a stunning lantern that adds ambience to any room. Please like and subscribe.